In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust overpayment with a bill in Xero, a quick and easy process that can save you time and frustration. Stick around and I'll walk you through the steps, plus give you some pro tips for managing payments in Xero efficiently. Now, let's dive right into how to adjust overpayment with a bill in Xero. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you accidentally paid too much on a bill, you know how important it is to fix that mistake quickly. Fortunately, Xero makes this process pretty straightforward, and I'm going to show you how. First, you'll need to open the bill in Xero that you want to adjust. Head over to your Bills to Pay section and find the bill that has the overpayment. Once the bill is open, you'll see the payment details listed. This is where we'll start our adjustment. To adjust the overpayment, you'll want to click on the Payments tab within the bill. From here, you'll see a breakdown of the payment made and how it relates to the bill. If there's an overpayment, you'll notice that the amount paid exceeds the bill total. Now to fix this, you'll click the Adjust option. Xero will give you the option to either apply this overpayment to another bill or refund the overpayment back to your bank account. If you're applying it to another bill, you'll simply select the new bill, and the overpayment amount will be applied toward that balance. If you'd rather refund the overpayment, that's just as simple. Xero will guide you through the process of entering the refund details and updating the payment records to reflect the change. It's a smooth process that ensures your books stay accurate and up to date without having to jump through any unnecessary hoops. One key thing to remember when adjusting overpayments is to always double-check your account balances and make sure the refund or application of funds is reflected properly. This will save you a headache later when reconciling your accounts. You might be wondering if this process affects your GST or tax calculations. Don't worry, Xero handles that automatically. As long as your overpayment is correctly recorded, your tax reports will remain accurate, making it one less thing to stress over. To summarize, adjusting an overpayment with a bill in Xero is quick and easy. Just open the bill, check the payment section, and choose whether to apply the overpayment to another bill or issue a refund. The key is keeping your accounts clear and avoiding unnecessary complications when managing your payments. And before you go, make sure you check out the link below for an exclusive extended free trial of Xero, so you can start using this powerful software to streamline your accounting processes. Get started with Xero today and start saving time.